Hello everyone, welcome to Pygenius Hub. If you are preparing for interviews and looking for most commonly asked question in Python, then you are in right place. In this series, I will break down the top interview questions and explain the concept in simple way. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Today in this session, we are going to discuss what are the commonly asked interview questions with respect to the OOPS concept. Within that, first question is like, what is the self keyword in Python? Self keyword is nothing but it is an instance of a class, we can say. Basically, it is a references to the variables and the methods which are present in the particular class. And this self keyword is used as a first parameter within the functions and like where the methods are defined in the class, we can say. And it is not the result keyword, based on our convention we can use the different keywords as well, but it is not recommended, I can say. Most of the developers will use the self keyword as a standard keyword for referring the instance of the classes, I can say. Next question is, what is the class in Python? Class is nothing but it is a blueprint of for creating the objects which is having the attributes and the methods as well. And in class we can see that attributes are nothing but these are the variables which store the specific data of that particular object, and methods are nothing but the functions which can define the behavior of that particular object, I can say. Next question is, explain the concepts of OOPS in Python. Programs support the OOPS concept like other programming languages support the OOPS. So there are four main OOPS concepts in Python, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. You can explain these concepts one by one. First we are going to see now what is encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding the data and the methods together into a single unit, that is called as a encapsulation. Means whenever we are defining any class, it is indirectly we are implementing the encapsulation concept in Python. So this basically encapsulation is used to restrict the direct access of some objects components, like by using the access specifiers. In Python we have a different kinds of the access specifiers. For example, private access specifier, protected access specifier. We will discuss in the next session like what are these access specifiers and how it will restrict the direct usage of the variables and methods. Next, you can explain what is inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit the properties and the methods of another class. So, the parent class is called as a base class and the child class is called as a derived class in this inheritance concept. And this inheritance is used for the code reusability, I can say. Next, you can explain what is the polymorphism and the abstraction. Polymorphism means some function have the same function name but can differ or can have the different functionalities. So that is called as a polymorphism. In polymorphism, again two types of the polymorphisms are there: runtime polymorphism and the compile time polymorphism. These two polymorphism types are achieved with the help of the method overloading and method overriding. In Python, method overloading is not supported, but method overriding is supported. Whenever you are implementing any inheritance, at that time the child class override the parent class method, I can say. And next you can explain what is the abstraction. Abstraction means hiding the implementation details and showing only the essential features to the Python. So this abstraction is implemented using the abstract class which is having the abstract method, and this abstraction is implemented with the help of the ABC module. Next question they will ask like, what is the different types of the inheritance? Basically, this inheritance allows the class to derive the properties and the methods from the another class. You can explain the 5 different types of the inheritance in Python. First is single inheritance, means one child class can inherit from a single parent class. Multiple inheritance means a single child class can inherit more properties from the more than one parent class. Multi-level inheritance means a class is derived from one class and that is again derived by the another class, means multiple levels of inheritance we can say. Hierarchical inheritance means multiple child can inherit from the single parent class. And hybrid inheritance means it is a combination of two or different types of the inheritance. That's it for today's Python interview questions. I hope this video is helpful for clearing at least the basic interview level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more interview preparation questions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you got any specific Python questions or interview questions, drop them in comments below. I would love to hear from you guys as well and might cover them in future videos as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one video. Keep coding, keep learning. Bye bye guys.